So today we're going to be talking about the practical use of trigonometry in Egyptian pyramids. The pyramid is a three-dimensional representation of the triangle and is therefore a combination of many triangles together to make this three-dimensional figure. The ancient pyramids were regular square pyramids, meaning that all of their sides were equal and their base was a square. If you split the pyramid in half, it would look like this, which is basically just two right triangles put together. And one of these right triangles is the pyramid split into a fourth. The Egyptians would build their pyramids to be structurally stable using the secant, which is the inverse slope, to make sure that every triangle within the pyramid was the same, making it structurally stable. What I mean by the inverse slope is that instead of using rise over run, the Egyptians would use run over rise, which is the cotangent of one of those right triangles, which is 1/4 of the pyramid. And you would find the secant by using 1/2 the base divided by the height, or again, 1/4 of the pyramid. And finding the cotangent of the theta of this 1/4 of the pyramid, which would be one right triangle. An Egyptian scribe, Ahmose, documented how to find the secant in the Rhine mathematical papyrus dating back to 1650 BC. Problem number 56 in the Rhine mathematical papyrus stated that the base of a pyramid was 360 cubits and the height of the pyramid was 250 cubits, and to find the secant from there. The height and base of the pyramid was calculated in cubits and the secant in palms. Keep in mind that 7 palms is equal to 1 cubit. Note that my drawing here is not to scale, but basically I took the liberty of dividing the pyramid in half and showing that the entire base of the pyramid was 360 cubits and the height was 250 cubits. So then we split this figure itself in half again, and you have 1/4 of the original pyramid, which is a 90-degree triangle. And then the base is already split in half, which is 180 cubits from the original 360 cubits, and the height is still the same, which is 250 cubits. And there's your theta in the corner. To find the secant, you would use the cotangent of theta of this triangle, which is 1/4 of the pyramid. And to find the secant, you would use cotangent is equal to run over rise. Cotangent equal to run over rise equals 180 cubits divided by 250 cubits, which is a ratio of 18 to 25 cubits. Therefore, to find your secant, you would divide 18 divided by 25, which is equal to 0.72 cubits. But remember that the Egyptians did not express their secant in cubits, but instead in palms. So therefore you have the secant is equal to 0.72 cubits times 7 palms to equal 5.04 palms. And this is how the Egyptians would calculate their secant, which is how they would make sure that their pyramids were structurally stable. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.